ng King. Rebound kay Sir Boss Vicky. Suboy. Uy, lista! Nakaunsa naman yung score.
Okay, Bob, ayun ka na, pre. Diling ka, pre.
Andy.
Diling ka, game.
Tumira, Sir Jeff.
Action. Serpala, pass to Gimby. Gimby nagdala ng bola, tumira na 1 point. 1 point for Brunel. Pandili sumalaksak. Pandili pass to Alcoran. Alcoran for 1 point.
Ronel. And pass mo sweetie back to Ronel. Tumira ng tres. Pass to Boss Vicky. Boss Vicky. Pass to Sir Jeff. Wait. Drive. Shot. 1 point. Power move by Sir Aloy. 2-7. 6 minutes remaining in our ball game. Aldeban, naghahanap ng kapasahan. Aldeban. Naghahanap pa rin ng kapasahan. Pass to Boss Vicky. Kapasahan. Pass to Sir Aloy. Power move. Pamili, steal by Boss Vicky. Boss Vicky, pass to Sir Jeff. Tumira. Tumira ng dos. Pasok rebound kay Aldebar. Sir Jeff, tumungol. Aldebar tumira. Ronel. Sir Aloy, bumalon. Sir Aloy, tumira ng dos. 5 seconds shot clock. 4. Tumira, Sir Jeff. Pamili, sumalaksak sa ilalim. Tumasok. Kapitan. Take by Sir Mariano. 10 seconds shot clock. Rebound by Sir Aloy. Pasok ang pinili natin.